So it's Monday, the 10th of October 2022, and we are at Kidlington Methodist Church. So here's my friend John, and unfortunately he can't actually turn around and wave at you, but I've got the template of the drawing which John's drawing around to give us an approximate of where the mosaic should go. The plan is I've divided it into quarters so that we'll do a quarter at a time. We've got step ladders and telescopic ladders. Let me show you what the mosaic looks like. So we're inside the church here. So let's take you around this way. So I've quartered it, so underneath here, the other two pieces, we've just come over from Bearwood, sunny Bearwood, and brought these pieces with Marilyn and Mick, lovely Marilyn and Mick. So, plan is, I'll mix some tile adhesive, we'll card it onto, I'll draw around this piece, and we will apply it and adhere it onto the wall, and that's the plan. So, and making sure everything is vertical and in its right place. So that's part whatever 10, I can't remember. Anyway, I will edit that for you, and these are going to be little filmettes. I can't string them together at this point. But who knows, I might do it eventually at some point. Okay then, see you soon. Bye.